Hey guys, Run with Craft Scissors here with new releases and a little, I don't know what you want to call it. We're going to fill this out together. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it, and then you can do what I do or what have you. But these are all the new releases that'll be in the shop on Thursday. So I'm going to have this upload pretty early in the morning because I post my new releases pretty early in the morning. So we have a new pen loop, this little elastic pen loop. It's white with polka dots. It's got a little bit of a shine to it. It's not glitter, but it's kind of shiny. So I always double fold, and mine completely go to the edge, so that's really nice. Works on pretty much any planner. I got a request for a Be Kind Rae Dunn inspired mug. So far I've done Planner Girl, Dream, and Be Kind. Dream is still in the shop. Planner Girl is sold out. I was definitely requested to do a fox, so I did a spring floral. The patterns will vary as far as that goes, so whether you get more of a yellow flower, purple flower, red, pink, more of leaves, whichever, it varies. So, and then the back is white. And then I thought I would do a little cloud for April with April showers and stuff like that. So I thought that would be cute. So it's glittery on that part, and then the black is just regular cardstock, and then the back is just white. And then I did a little matching set of, they're not sold as a set though. So this is, it's kind of blue and purple. It has blue and purple. It almost reminds me of like a mermaid kind of thing, but when I think mermaid, I think of like green. So I don't know, but I thought it was pretty, so I just titled it Blue and Purple Glitter Heart and Blue and Purple Glitter Bow. So you guys can check those out. I don't feel like you can see all the purple flakes, but there's definitely purple flakes in there. And then I went with blue on the back. But remember I said I was like, I don't have very much blue in my shop besides like the blue princess shoe. So, and then I have a pink palm. The other one I have is more of a fuchsia. This one's more of like a darker pink. So I like that one as well. So my husband and I designed this together. We do our printables together. I don't know if I told you guys that, but it's kind of like a husband and wife thing that we do together. Yay. I think I've said that enough. All right, so I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do this in this pen this time. So for the quotes, I'm just gonna write them down and decorate them. I brought some washi over here to kind of throw some stuff down. I have a Happy Planner book if I want to squeeze in some more quotes here and there. So my idea is to kind of fill the page. The idea behind my little printable inserts is you can be a Bujo planner in a Happy Planner or any other planner that you can punch and put this paper into or resize when you print it. And you can print it as many times as you want. So if you mess up or you want quotes that are just specific to a certain thing, you can do that. So there's a movie reel, so I'm going to put a movie quote in there. I think this one's just going to have a regular quote. And then this one's supposed to be like a little sticky note, so I might add some washi tape to the corners. This will be a shorter quote. That one will be really cool. I'm excited about that one. So we're going to start with the heart. So I'm going to do a classic Beatles one. So I'm not super artsy. So if that's what you're looking for with this video, that's not going to happen. So I'm going to just do a little A. See, I told you. All you need is love is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to capitalize this one. I'm not very good at fonts, so don't judge me. I mean, you can, but I'm not a person that like practices my font. I remember my mom trying to get me to practice just handwriting, and apparently I was a pain when it came to that. And then I'm just going to write the Beatles. There you go. And then I'm going to add some music note washi tape, I think. See how this looks. I'm not sure. I don't even remember where I got this, but oh yes, I do. It's from Amazon. It was in like a little pack. I remember now. Anyway, I thought this would be cute to kind of like put to the side. I want it to have more notes than anything. Understand that. Should I put it up here? Yeah, let's do it right there. So it'll kind of overlap the heart. Yeah, where's my cutter? There it is. My washi cutter that I use is my Cricut scraper. If you're like, what is that? And you don't watch my channel already. If you don't, you should subscribe. So I'm gonna put that there. And then let's do this one. We'll go from the top down. So I think for that one, I wanna do this gold maybe. I kind of want to test it out on a piece of paper. This is what I used there was the Paper Mate Flare, and then what I'm using here is the Wink of Stella. So I'm just gonna write the, yeah, that'll be it. That's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so this one is gonna be another musical talent. So I'm gonna do shine. Now I suggest when you write with these, you go a little slow so that you have the same thickness. So I'm gonna do shine bright like a diamond. It's hard to talk and write at the same time, just saying. And like space out your letters. D. I don't want to spell anything wrong because I'm like focusing so hard. I remember my friend and I used to make posters and I would spell the words so she could focus on how she was writing them. Teamwork, right? It was for like youth group posters. But I thought this would be fun to have in my planner. I also thought it would be fun to keep in my teacher planner and write down like funny things my students say. Weird? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. And I'm not a super artsy person, but my idea behind this was I want to be a Bujo girl, but I don't want to have a Bujo. So, or I don't want to have another planner because I'm pretty sure you guys think I'm already crazy for having as many as I do. So, as far as that goes, I think I need to go this way. These feel more like paint. It's kind of fun. So I'm gonna do shine bright like a diamond, and then I have these little diamond on this washi, so I thought I would cut some of those off. Is that weird? Oh well, that's what I'm doing. This is from Hobby Lobby. I know that. So I need to cut some of these off already. Where's my scissors? I'll use the little ones. So I'm gonna cut that off because I don't like it. And then I'm gonna cut this diamond out. I'm sure you guys are like, be careful. Thank you. I will. My idea is to cut it like a diamond on the outside so that this is shaped, but I don't want to take all the sticky off. Okay, and I got some other paper. There we go. It fell off. What I was thinking is I would stick these here. Cute. So I turned these into stickers. Did you know I could do that with washi? It is sticky. Okay, and then I need to like, can I see it there? Yeah. You know, the next time I use this washi, I'm gonna be like, why did I cut it like this? When I go back to use it for something else, like planner related. That would be kind of funny. I think. I'm taking too much time doing this. Why? I don't know, because I want it to be pretty. So you can take as much time as you want, because I just feel like I'm also not very, okay, I'm crafty, but that doesn't mean I'm artistically inclined as far as like drawing and like I said, the font stuff, like that's not really me. Oh, I'm loving it. Ooh, so cute. Okay, then let's move to the next one. So I want to do this one, I think, in that color? No. Maybe we should do this one in just black glitter. I really like the Wink of Stella for this kind of stuff. So this one's going to be a movie quote. It's actually my favorite movie when I'm sick. So it's don't you think, this one's very smooth, daisies. Do you know what the movie is? I'm having a little bit of fun with you guys. Oh man, I stuck some washi on there. Do you see that? I think it's washi. Don't you think daisies are the friendliest yeah, flower. Do you know what movie that is? It's from You've Got Mail. You've got mail. So I have some little envelope washi that I'm going to use like kind of like stickers again. So I have this one. I think this one's from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to cut it apart and just kind of stick them in the corners. I think this one's kind of rose gold. See, I was going to write in gold again, but then I was like, I don't think that's gold, and it was not. And then I couldn't find the perfect blue to match this, so that's why I went with the black and white. So I'm going to stick that one up there. And I think we'll stick another one down here. So I'm using these like stickers as well. I like this kind of stuff because then you can kind of use what you have. And if you're artistic, you could draw your own envelope, but I'm not. So that's what we're using. Okay, so next up we have a quote from Maya Angelou. So I'm gonna use my Papermate gel to write the stuff that's not in color. So it's B A. I think I can go bigger with this one. I'll see. R A. My orange is like dying, I think. These are Papermate flares, by the way. I don't think I could have done this with the Wink of Stella. I, which I know the yellow is really hard to see. It definitely is. I-N. B. We're spelling today out loud, just in case you didn't know. But I saw this one and I was like, oh, I love this one. Your rainbow in someone else's cloud. And that's Maya Angelou. I got quiet. Sorry, I'm working. Sorry. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should have done a live plan with me with this one. That would have been fun. Of course, I feel like you guys would have been like shouting out quotes to me. So that would have like made me more nervous. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. I have a little rainbow washi. This is from Michael's Unicorn. So I messed that one up, so I have to cut that off. Oh darn. Okay, so someone did a Washi Wednesday post. Oh my gosh, it was Nikki. Yeah, it was Nikki. She's Wolf something on Instagram. Anyway, it was so funny. So you know how, like, all these little scraps that like we have, she like puts them on a piece of paper and she took a picture of it for Washi Wednesday and said it was her washi graveyard. I was laughing so hard. My husband's like, what is so funny? And I'm like, she posted her washi graveyard. He did not find it as funny. Anyway, so but I thought it was super hilarious. So kudos to Nikki for making me laugh. Okay, so I'm gonna do that there. Just kind of making my own rainbows. And then let's see. Oh, I think I have one for that. A washi tape, but I don't know where it is right now. I was just gonna draw it, but I don't really like drawing. Oh well. So I think I'm gonna do this one in green. So I think you guys can probably already guess what I'm gonna write in the movie one because I say it all the time. I love this movie. I carried a watermelon. Hopefully I can fit it. And that's from Dirty Dancing. in case you didn't know. Anyway, so I was going to draw a little watermelon, but then I remembered I had watermelon washi, but I don't have it with me right now, so I'm just going to draw a little watermelon, like a slice. I'm going to color it in. That's kind of why I chose the Papermate Flare for this one, so I could color it. And we need to draw that in. I'm just going to scribble that. Give it some texture. Like I'm some kind of artist. Nope. Ooh, let's try this glitter. Wink of Stella for seeds. Oh, that looks perfect. Okay. So there's that one. Last one. So excited. Alright, for this one, I think I'm gonna use this one because it reminds me of like a Tiffany's blue. So let's see if you got this one. It's not from the movie, but it says nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible. So I hope that's encouraging to you. And that is from Audrey Hepburn. So that one's cute. And then I thought I grabbed, yeah, here's another quote, like washi tape. So I thought I would add some of those. There's Follow Your Bliss on this one. I'm going to cut it off so it actually has the whole thing on there. If I can find my scissors again. There we go. Plus there's like a line on there. It's kind of weird, right? Okay, more for the washi graveyard. That was just so funny. I probably laughed way too hard at that, but I thought it was pretty funny. So I'm going to put this one down here, I think. Probably at a different angle than that. I want to cover up that. There. So I'm going to put that there. And then I have this like sticker book from Bambi, which I feel really bad because you guys are gonna be like, you haven't even used this. So I'm going to grab the You Got This because that's definitely like one of my catchphrases for like a quote. Plus it has really pretty font. So I'm going to put this one over here. Yeah. And then, see, like some of these are really big, so I can't fit those. There's Get It Done. Now is the later. Think Happy, Be Happy. Ooh, I like that one. That one's good. I can fit that one over here. I think that's all we can really fit. Doesn't it look so fun? Anyway, so that's why we left it kind of blank to be kind of creative with whatever you want to do. So I hope you guys like this. So give this video a like and please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And I'm so excited to put this in my planner. Bye!